Yo, what's going on, my people? HumidityLiquidity here. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a NASDAQ market review, show you what happened today and how you could have got in. Alright, so today I was looking for price to come up to these equal highs and clear them right here. I was looking for price to come to these levels and just give a reaction and completely drop. So what happened today was price came, tapped it, or nearly tapped it, and then dropped. Let's have a look. Did we tap? Yeah, I don't think we touched exactly, but yeah, price came, formed equal highs, and then dropped. So here, how could you have sold? If you actually look over here, there's relatively equal highs. They got taken out. If you look from before that, the highs before 8:30 were also taken out. You've got to know the entry over here, the fair value gaps with displacements. So here, this buy side liquidity pool got taken, this buy side liquidity pool got taken. And then here, if we use the market maker sell model, we see this original consolidation right here. We mark out this as our first take profit and just have this one as the second one. These are your sell side liquidity targets. Now, when price came up and created these equal highs, what do we see? Displacement right here. Price came. Now if we go to the 3-minute time frame, what do we see? Price has broken structure right here, and from before you saw that 5-minute fair value gap, and then here, see if we came into the 50%, price nearly tapped the 50%, price came into this fair value gap right here. So we would have taken this type of entry. This would be your type of entry that you'd want to take, and you target the market maker sell model right here, the original consolidation, and here will be your final take profit. Now that's your first entry. Then we look over here, we get this break of structure, prices come down, it comes into this fair value gap here. Now if you use, so this is a potential trade here, and then if we use the model I showed in one of my previous videos, the intermediate term low, so right here, this intermediate term low got broken right there. And then if we go from how I showed, from this high to this low and draw the 50%, so right here, high, low, here's the 50% right here. What do we see? A fair value gap, refine our fair value gap like that, and you could have taken a sell entry from here, targeting this area of sell side liquidity as well for continued sell right there. So those are your AM session trades right there, keeping it simple. Buy side liquidity taken, came up, formed equal highs. It didn't take out the daily highs, so Thursday usually caps the weekly range, and due to that you'd be looking for some sells after it displaced like this and broke structure. And yeah, so then we look at lunch, and lunch, this is where you don't take any trades. And then after that, since our weekly range has been capped and it's Thursday, we don't want to see price come up here, so we would look for continuation in a PM session. So in a PM session, we already took out the high from before, and if we look on the 15-minute, is there a fair value gap? There's this fair value gap over here, 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute, that same fair value gap from earlier. So this is the fair value gap you'd be looking to take a trade off of, or the one just above it. And then here, what did we get? On the 3 minute time frame, price came up into that fair value gap, displaced below this low. If we look on the 1 minute, this was a low, and this should have given us our break of structure. Okay, break of structure given. And then on the 1 minute time frame, we see this fair value gap. And if we go back to the 3 minute, we can use the 3 minute fair value gap. After that break of structure, then here would be your PM trend sell, and you'd be aiming for this low before the PM trend. Or you could aim for the launch low over here as well, right here, sell side liquidity, some more sell side liquidity over here. That'll be your sell on the PM session. So yeah, this simple stuff. Thursday weekly range capped. Didn't expect us to go any higher. Next week we should be looking for the high of the month, most likely. Want to see price come up into this level right here, and then just be bearish for the rest of the month, hopefully. But I guess we'll see. And yeah, let's see what happens this month. It's August, so won't be trading much. Slow month. And yeah, we'll just see what happens, and see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.